Also, you have companies that comes out with late morning or early afternoon news, okay? For example, QEP, I think, came out with some financing news at around 2 p.m. I love to buy these 2 p.m. runners. Why? Because it always continues into the next trading day. So stay tuned, hit that notification. If I see anything running in the early afternoon with great news, I will do a video. So hit that notification so you don't get so you get the alert, all right, for the video. Don't miss out, guys. Pay attention to the market. There's money to be made. There's opportunity under your feet. You just gotta seek. Please subscribe. Now, there are three main catalysts that moves a stock. Number one, if it was recommended in the chat room, that was a corny joke. All right, number one catalyst is earnings. Anytime a company beats earnings, it will drive the stock upwards, okay? Next is FDA approvals, all right? Always respect FDA approvals. They could be on to a blockbuster drug, all right? Number three catalyst is government awarded contract, as is in the case with SPCB. SPCB, I think last Thursday they were awarded extension to their government contract. All right, some kind of monitoring for the government. Just go ahead and read the news on that. I just like to pay attention to price, all right? Always take news with a grain of salt. You got to show me price action. That I respect. All right, so they closed at $1.26 on Friday, up 12% on Friday. In the pre-market, they're up over 150%, over $3.15 right now in the pre-market. I think it's about minutes to 7 right now. All right, guys. So that's the stock play of the day. Dave's play. Supercom Limited, ticker symbol SPCB. Stay tuned towards the end of my video where I'll give you my bonus play, okay? Play safe, invest wisely, take profits. Speaking of profits, last week I did pretty well on my Robinhood account. My whole portfolio was up over 16%. 16%. I couldn't believe it. This market is unbelievable. All right, guys. Hope you guys made some money. Today is another opportunity. Take some profits. I like to take $50 profits. I like to take $100 profit because I've been there. I almost blew up my account once playing options. Too much options. Lost a lot of money. In 2008, woke up down about 50 grand. It was the Great Recession. I was in market crash, stock market crash. The world was coming to an end. I couldn't sleep. With so much money in my 401k down, I could not sleep for about a week. But I didn't sell. If it had been now, I would have sold because I'm getting older. But I hanged in there, and sure enough, the market recovered, just as in the case in March when the market fell through the bottom. I was telling people, get out. Why sit there and watch the Dow drop 7%, 8%, 9% in one day? That's ridiculous. It's not nice to lose money. Get out. Get out with what you have. You could always get back in, okay? Stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'll give you my bonus play. All right, guys? Please like the video. Please subscribe. Thank you for the new subscribers. Appreciate you. Stay tuned. Yeah, that orange was sweet. Also, if you have a particular play that's not doing anything, get out. You could always get back in when you see some sign of life, okay? It's just too many plays happening right now. You got to adjust to the market, okay? Plan A is not working, try plan B. Don't just sit there and watch all the other stocks doing great things, changing people's life. Get out and try something else. You could always get back in when your stock that you love starts to show signs of life, okay? All right? Just wanted to share that with you. Also, I just remember back in 2004, I'll give you a little story regarding Apple. I used to watch Apple. It was like at about $12. I watched it go to 13, 15, 20, every day, double digits gain. I'm like, this is a crazy stock. I gotta get into it. I'm not just gonna sit there and watch this stock keep going up every day, double digits. This is Apple. All right. So shout out to Chase. Chase had a 0% on my offer that they had. They offered me 0%. I could write the check to myself at 0%. All right, the credit line was $19,000. Unbelievable. Always respected Chase for that. So I cashed that out. $19,000. I forgot how much I put into Apple, but the price I got Apple at was $35. That's how long I've been sitting watching. I'm watching this thing from 10 all the way up. I finally got in at around $35. 100 shares. All right. I doubled my money in about 3 weeks. It went to $75. I said, okay, I'm out. I got out, took my 100% profit. Apple continues. I bought back in at 111. 111, I bought back in. Apple was good to me. All right, guys, stay tuned for the plays. Okay, so let's take a look at the chart for SPCB. SPCB. This is the daily. Now you see these long wicks? Yeah, it likes to spike. Okay, right now it's over $3, so it's off the chart. So watch for a pullback. Okay, watch for a pullback, and you could start a position. SPCB, they came out with news last week, and they're just doing some continuation. They closed 11% on Friday, so they're up over 145% in the pre-market. Okay, there's no new news, but maybe smart money knows something. We like to follow smart money and big money. Big money didn't become big by being stupid, all right? So we try to follow price. Somebody knows something. SPCB. All right. About 6 weeks ago, I had a stock that doubled, and a gentleman commented and say, "Scared money don't make money." Okay, I'm scared. I admit it. Yeah, I started to play with about $50. I admit it. Okay, he who feels it knows it. When you lose a certain amount of money or down a certain amount of money, you learn to start small. So you start a position small, see where it goes. If it's going in your favor, you add. So you always add on the way up, not on the way down, unless you're doing a long-term play. a long-term value company, then you could average down. But I don't like to average down. Really. I always like to average up. All right. So you throw good money at good positions, and you cut those losses. You could always add back when when it's deemed necessary. All right, guys. So stay tuned for the bonus play. All right. Please make your next trade your best trade. All right. And take profits. It can't hurt if it's even half. You take half off the table. See what happens. If it starts to go back down, then you take the other half. All right. Okay. Dave's bonus play of the day is no other than Mosey. M-O-S-Y. M-O-S-Y. They have news out this morning regarding, they're in the iCloud space. Okay, so go ahead and read up on the news. They're up in the pre-market 27%, okay, at $2.05. So a good entry on that might be if it drops below 2. You could start a position below 2, all right? If it drops below 170, just get out, okay? Also, if it keeps running, if it runs up to 215, just throw in a starter position, because that tells me it might head to 3, all right? And subsequently to 4. Mosey, M-O-S-Y. Dave's bonus play of the day, M-O-S-Y, all right? It has a low float of 2 million, all right? Their current ratio is 4.7. I like anything over 2. 1 is at par. I like anything over 2. This is at 4.7. So they won't be going bankrupt in the next 6 months. They're financially stable. MOSY. Their 200-day moving average is $1.69. All right, that's a key indication. A lot of traders like to watch stocks breaking over the 200-day moving average. All right. Now, might be a resistance at 2. Just watch and see if it breaks above 2. All right. If it pulls back below 2, grab some shares. All right. Set your stop loss 10-15% below your buy price. All right. Always protect your neck. Dave Nat, stay tuned. Also, VAL. Okay, VAL, pay attention for continuation. Okay, might be buying more, or I might be taking profit. Let's see how I feel. All right, stay tuned for the place. Do remember, if you wish to open a Webull account, I have the link inside the description. Dave Natch, I'm out.